Hi, Mom.
Hi, Rowan. Where are we?
We're in, I don't know what the name is, but we're in this place where I saw a big, I don't really remember the name of it, but there's this hot flame thing, and it started to bubble up, and then all this water and stuff, and then all this stuff came out of it. It was all like water, and it was made out of water and steam.
Wow.
It was so cool, and I saw all this cool steam coming out of everywhere. We're kind of like in a forest a little bit.
What's happening over here, Rowan?
I don't know. Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Did you take the whole video
I'm
yet?
still taking video. So you can tell me what's going on over here.
Cool.
This is-
Well, I don't really know who they were talking to.
Okay. So this is called Frying Pan Flat. Looks like things are bubbling up over there.
Oh, fun. Are you still taking video?
Yeah, I'm going to stop now though, okay?